Hey guys, I'm Gary LeClaire. I'm the host of the Flipstoration podcast and also the founder of Stripwell, the makers of QCS Finish Remover and the QCS Surface Cleanser and QCS Work Wipes. I wanted to take a minute and I want to preface this with saying that there is no kickback to me for this whatsoever. There's no affiliate thing going on here. This is a pure review, a pure opinion from me. My background, as a lot of you know, if you follow Stripwell or Flipstoration, you know that I have 20 plus years in the business of furniture restoration and refinishing on a professional level, and that's really where all of my passion is. It's just in the craft. And for many years, I would look for things that would improve my work, improve how I did what I did, and just always improving. That's kind of the key to it all. And I would look for tools. And I want to talk to you about a tool right now that I don't think many of you have. Some of you do, but I don't think a lot of you have this tool, and it's one that I can't recommend enough. It's not something we sell, and again, we're not getting any benefit from this recommendation or this review. But it's this book, actually, and this is by Aaron Moore of Moore's Restoration and Refinishing in California. Aaron has put together what I believe is the now go-to book for professional level refinishing and restoration. I think that for years I looked for something that this book is, both in the quality of the book, but also the content of the book. It's dense with tips, tricks, techniques, product recommendations, all sorts of things, and it is just a wealth of knowledge. Aaron has 20 plus years of experience himself, and in here there's a lot of real concrete fact. A lot of opinions are out there on the internet. A lot of people have an opinion on how to do things or what to do, what to use, and sometimes it's just purely opinions. There's no real concrete answer. With what's going on in this book, with what Aaron put together, I can stand by that. So much of what's in there is just pure and really the way that things should be done. With a craft, there's always improvements. There's always other knowledge out there and other things you can learn. It can't cover everything, but it covers so much, and I highly recommend it. If you don't have a copy, this is something you need to invest in. You need to go buy a copy of this online. You can get a digital download, or you can get the hardcover, which is beautiful. There's photography in here that's just fantastic. It is really a tool that you can't be without, and I mean that. I'm not just saying it. This is something that I do think that you should put on your shelf and pull it out on a daily basis and use it to improve how you do what you do. So hopefully this helps somebody out there. Someone go pick this book up and become a better refinisher for it. And Aaron, if you're watching, thanks for putting together such an amazing piece of work. It's an awesome thing. I want to also add that Aaron has a YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet to that, go over there and subscribe. He's doing daily vlogs around the shop. He's showing projects he's working on, and it's a lot of fun to watch, honestly. He's doing a great job with that, and I think a lot of you would enjoy watching the kind of projects he's doing. He's doing some really high-end, primarily mid-century modern sort of furniture, but also other things, and it's really fun to watch. So check that out too, and subscribe to his YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, guys. And again, I'm Gary from Flipstoration Podcast and Stripwell, and have an awesome day.